Hello there. This video is going to help you understand the expectations for the end of the European Exploration unit that we've been working on. Everybody has a European Exploration notebook, or their group has one that you're part of. You want to make sure that all of your tasks are complete. There's a couple things that you don't really need to worry about. They're not going to affect any quiz scores or test scores, or if you're in my class, the narrative nonfiction writing piece. Those are the movie questions. If you're missing some of those, it's okay to be missing some of them. Not all of them were easy to answer. And also there's a table at the bottom of that anticipatory activity that isn't that important. But all of the other tasks, all sections should be completed. Make sure they are before you do anything else. And as all of you know, those things were supposed to be done last Friday. December 14th was the due date for tasks 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once you're done with all your tasks, it's time to take the unit test. One of the things you can do to review for your unit test is study everything in this unit, of course, but you can also go to the website solpass.org, click on middle school, click on U.S. History to 1865, click on the Explorer unit, and select any of these activities. All of the content here that you need to answer or complete the crosswords or quizzes could and may be on your test. So for example, the Champlain mini quiz, if I click on that, this is a very good multiple choice question. It's like the ones you'll see on your test. Okay, so these are all good practice activities. Feel free to use them. If you need to sign into SOL Pass, the password is Panthers. So you type in Panthers, all lowercase, if it does ask you for a password. The next resource that you have is on MrTalbot.com. You can go to the SOL cards link, and you want to go down to page 2. The bottom half of page 2 deals with how American Indians and Europeans interacted with each other. What were the motivating forces, obstacles, and accomplishments of exploration, and the discovery by the Portuguese of West Africa and the 3 West African kingdoms of Ghana, Mali, and Songhai. So you make sure you're familiar with these 3 sections of page 2 of the SOL cards. That's the area that all the questions come from. A final resource that you have is also located on MrTalbot.com. In the search bar here, if you type in Explorer Test, it'll take you to this protected document. And when you click on that protected document, it will probably ask you for a password. The password is Portugal, capital Portugal. And once you open that, it will take you to this old Explorer test that I've put on here for you. The first 10 questions of this test are on continents, oceans, rivers, geographic regions, archaeology, and Native Americans. And then the other 30 questions are all from the European Exploration unit. And some of the questions are the same as the questions that you'll see on your test this Thursday. So feel free to explore this resource and look up the answers to the questions using either your digital notebook or your SOL cards, or you can just ask a neighbor or somebody in your group. If you run into any areas that you're really confused about, feel free to talk to me prior to Thursday. That'll probably be the date when myself and Ms. Kelleher administer the test to you. Good luck on your test.